Good morning, everybody. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna, and you are joining us on Cooking with Mam Talks or Mam Talks. And today we're going to be making zucchini bread. But I'm sort of having a little bit of anxiety because I don't bake. That's why Kathy's here. I don't bake ever. I can't remember a time when I've been doing this.
I bake at least a few times a week.
Yes, she does.
And I give it to friends because I can't keep it all in the house. But I love to bake. It's relaxing. It's just relaxing, you know?
No, it's not. You go through all this work, and then I once made a pecan pie for somebody for Christmas. The first 2 times, it never got hard. It was liquid. And the third one was perfect, and I dropped it. End of story.
Well, of course.
Anyway.
Okay, so
we're going to start out. I want to make zucchini bread because I'm having a birthday party for my granddaughter this weekend, and who is turning 1 or has turned 1. And somebody gave me zucchini, so I'm going to make zucchini bread. And we're going to use, unlike many of the YouTube videos that I've seen, all the more power to them. But I've got this great gadget my mother gave me. It's called a Cuisinart. It's the best.
It's the best. I love it.
And, you know, usually you put it in here in the cup and it just cuts it all up. But I'm going to be using a shredder that it comes with. And it's an extra foot with a blade that you can put on there. And then you have to put this lid on.
That's it. Voila.
And that's it. Now this is a pusher. I don't know if we're going to need it. Yeah. It's going to be a little bit noisy, so we're going to show you how it works, and then we'll come back when it's all shredded.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Let's just put it on. You want to do the pusher? Okay. Turn it on. It's not that bad.
Okay. There it is.
Oh, look at that! It's perfect!
She gets so excited by little things.
Oh my God! This is like exactly what it looks like when you shred it by hand. Let me see if I can put 2.
So now look at it getting tricky. Thinking you're all that.
I love this gadget. I love it. By the way, you can buy these on Amazon.
We'll give you the link.
We'll give you the link down below in the description.
Okay, last one. And done.
Do you think we have 2 cups there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn it off. Ta-da! We didn't even have to turn off the video. It's not that noisy.
Well, we'll see. We might do some editing.
I'll take this away.
Oh yeah, we have 2 cups there, easy.
Yeah?
I feel like the surgeon here. And you just undo it from here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ta-da!
Yeah,
So we
you
need
have
2 cups packed. We washed our hands very, very well. I have my grandchildren wash their hands and they're like, done.
You're supposed
I
to
said,
sing
no,
happy
you get in
birthday.
between the fingers and you get the back of your hand and the side of your hand, the back of your hand. No.
Okay.
Abba, I've been doing this all my life. I know how to wash my hands. No.
See, there's even extra
Oh,
that
good.
you can use for a recipe.
Okay, so now we have the zucchini. I'm going to move this out of our way. And, oh, I'm going to keep the cup just in case. Although I don't need it because I pre-measured everything, but just in case. Okay.
One never knows.
One never knows.
Are you singing? You're about to break out the song?
I figured out after 60 some odd years that all I know is the first line of every song. I don't know a single song in its entirety. But anyway.
Okay, so what's the story here?
Okay, so first we're going to make the wet ingredients.
Okay.
You know what? I think I'm going to make them in the measuring cup. So I don't like vegetable oil. Call me crazy. So
okay.
I'm putting... That's not funny. I'm using a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, which I've melted in the microwave. We need 2 eggs. Kat, you want to
Get to break them. So it doesn't make a difference what kind of oil, or does it?
Well, I read that coconut oil is more stable than vegetable oil, so it works great when you're baking. But who am I, right?
Who are you?
Yeah, I don't know. Here's a 1/4 cup of vanilla milk.
Vanilla.
Almond vanilla milk.
Is that what I asked for?
No, but that's what I had.
Okay, almond vanilla milk.
Again, Anna is creating the recipe. And then
my favorite.
We need about a teaspoon, but you know,
Yeah, I always
eyeball
do.
it. There you go. Okay,
Good job.
here you go.
Oh, I get so many jobs today. I love it. I'm your assistant. Why are
As
you
always.
making? No. No, Anna. Okay, here we go. So we are all mixed.
Whisk away.
I love whisks to the best invention.
Now, I have to tell you that I do have the oven at 350, and I've got, this was Kathy's idea, instead of a loaf pan, to make a pie plate because it cooks more inside.
Every time I make a loaf pan, the inside is never done. So if you
Oh,
have any
I'm gonna
tips
follow her
on why, I'd love to hear.
Okay, so here we have 1 2/3 cup of flour,
Regular flour.
regular flour.
Okay.
Then I've got 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm not gonna put any more.
White cane sugar.
It asks for more, but
Oh, see, you're supposed to put it when it tells you.
well, it does say to put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So let's do that.
Okay. I love brown sugar, anything.
I do too. So I thought, okay, we'll put like a little 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
I'll be perfectly happy and
What's wrong with you?
I can't get it out.
Ah,
It's so
because it's hard.
It's hard like a
Let
rock.
me help you, Anna.
Smarty pants. I told her what I was gonna be doing. She said, I got something for you. How did you know?
I bought this because you were talking about brown sugar. I bought this on Amazon recently. This thing is amazing. Your brown sugar
What is it called?
doesn't get hard. I will post the name because honestly, I don't remember at the moment, but I will put it up there. It came just like this, and then you had to soak this little disc. It's like a clay disc. You see that? And then you just pop it in. It seals with this rubber thing. I have the softest brown sugar always. This thing's amazing, and it wasn't expensive. So I'm gonna go put this up on the website when we do it, and
Okay, why don't we put
check
in
it out,
like,
you guys.
why don't we put in like maybe this spoonful? That should be.
Oh, I gave you that.
I know.
Grandma's rules. What rules? So you're saying a spoonful of this, like
Yeah,
that?
that's enough sugar. That's plenty of sugar. I don't want more sugar.
Okay, so amazing.
Oh, it is amazing.
Amazing.
I'm gonna get one of those. Are they very expensive?
No, I don't remember. I'm sorry, but it's not expensive.
We'll put a link for it on
Yes.
the description below. See, we're just,
That was
this is real life. This is real life. Things come up.
real life.
They're so tricky because you said, and you're going to use what? And I said, a little bit of brown sugar. And then you show up with that thing. That's very clever.
I'm so clever.
Yes. Okay, and then I've got a 1/4 cup of, now it says walnuts. I don't have walnuts, so I have pecans.
I love walnuts. Should have told me. I could have brought that.
I love pecans.
Okay.
So there's my,
And what is there more there?
oh, these are to decorate.
Oh.
I want to decorate the top. Okay, and then here I've got a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Can't believe I remember.
Really,
all
no
that.
ginger, huh?
No ginger.
I don't know.
I love ginger, but I'm
Not
not
for this.
sweets. I don't know. Okay, now we get to put the zucchini in.
Ah. Here you go, zucchini.
The crowning
Boom.
zucchini, the star of the ball. No, it isn't the star of the ball. What is it? The bell of the ball.
Bell of the ball. You mix it with a spatula. That's so weird.
Yeah. What do I mix it
I'd
with?
mix with a spoon.
Well, I thought spatula was for baking. Because it,
We all have the different things we do. I make zucchini bread also. I love zucchini bread.
but you don't use coconut oil, do you?
No, and I use walnuts Sometimes I make it without because some people like it without, so I'll sometimes make one with, one without, so I can please everybody.
Okay, go ahead. Pour away.
Now you can use a spatula to get the rest out if you want.
That doesn't look like it's a lot of liquid.
Well, the zucchini is moist already. It has some liquid. That's why.
Does this look like it would?
Yeah, just keep going.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
This is pretty hard.
You want me to help you?
Huh?
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Be my guest. See, it's kind of dry, isn't
No,
it?
it won't be. You'll
No?
see. Mm-hmm. It's funny when you do recipes, especially like when you're doing cookies, and it's the kind of cookies you're going to use for making molded cookies.
Mm-hmm.
It gets really hard to toss it like this.
Look at all that.
It's going to get there, but that's why I use, and you'll see it another time. Another kitchen aid
What is
intent. Well, you'll see next time when I do it. Next time we'll make another. I guess we'll just start doing some holiday stuff.
That'd be fun.
Because it's holiday time, so zucchini bread fits in, maybe a pumpkin bread or pumpkin cookies. See how it is now, Emma?
In the meantime, so Kathy suggested the pie plate, but
It's ready.
everything I've ever baked has stuck. A few times I have done. So I put a little piece of parchment paper on the bottom, and then I make sure I coated the side in the coconut oil.
So here's what it looks like.
Really? It's supposed to be
Plenty
that hard?
It's not hard. It's bread, Anna. Here, you know what? If you can help hold it, yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
My arms get a little.
There we go. I don't use parchment paper for these. I actually just do butter and flour. And then you want to just kind of
Spread it out.
spread it around.
Okay, and then we're gonna put it in the oven at
For?
350. I don't know how long.
Oh, how long is it safe? I'd watch it. It's not going to take that long. And then I just keep
Like
my...
10 minutes?
No.
20
Do
minutes?
20 and keep your toothpicks handy so you can test it.
Okay.
I like to get every drop.
Well, you left drops in here.
Well, I'm not done, Anna. She just doesn't know how to bake or work. This is not very many drops. These are a few drops.
It's zucchini.
Okay.
Putting this
So
away.
we're going to put this in. Let's show it to you how it looks. I actually love to taste these. I'm not supposed
no.
to. Yes.
That's
It's pretty.
Okay, so now I get to put the
Oh, you're
pecans.
decorating it now?
Yes, so what I want to do is make like a line for every person, every piece.
What?
Yeah, like, you know,
So you're designating what size piece they get?
yeah, I am.
I wouldn't want that. I want my own piece. Big piece.
Well, that's why you're not coming to the party. Oh my gosh,
This is, I've never seen anyone do this.
that wasn't very nice.
What? I'm not coming to your party?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't want to anyway, and I'm
Yeah,
busy.
Right.
Okay, if this were me, I'd say, great, give me that piece right there.
No, I'm gonna make sure everybody gets a little piece. It's sugar, it's cake.
I want to see her at this party saying, okay, everybody, you have to cut right where the pecans are.
I'm putting this in the oven. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
All right. So now we're going to wait for 20-ish minutes or longer. We'll let you know how long it takes. And we will soon have some zucchini bread for you. So see you.
I'm
in a
really
minute.
looking forward to this.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. We're back. And look
This
what we
is
have.
beautiful.
Look at that.
It took about 40 minutes.
Did it really? Was it that long?
Mhm.
Wow.
Mhm.
But if it was in a loaf pan, I'm telling you, you'd keep the middle would keep not
Yeah,
being done.
it looked like it was done, and then the middle was still jiggly and wet when you put in the toothpick, so we kept doing 10 minutes at a time.
And I like the edges are a little bit browned, which is.
And I love the decoration of the pecans.
Yeah, so you have to cut right on Anna's pecans.
Actually, you cut between them, so you get the two
Ah.
pecans.
Okay, so shall I cut a piece?
Please, let's share one.
Dum,
and
da, da,
see.
dum.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go like that. I can hear the pecans inside that I'm cutting through. Okay, a little piece.
Yeah. Oh, you're taking the pecans. That's a huge
You
piece.
told me to take the pecans.
I know, but that's a huge piece.
You know, there's no pleasing some people in this world.
Okay.
I won't mention any names, but they're near me. Okay. Why is it?
Oh, because
it's
you're
parchment paper.
Yeah. No, because you're not. Oh, you're taking it with the parchment.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
There. Now take this.
She made it ugly.
Oh my goodness. And survey says you're thinking about it.
What do you think?
It's good. It's not like super sweet.
Mm-mm.
It's a good bread.
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's not sweet at all.
It's delicious. Because I didn't want it to be very sweet. And look, you can see, let me bring this up close so you can see it. See how you see the shreds of zucchini?
Yes.
Oh my God, I love that. I love it.
And I'm just trying to think. If you wanted it to be a little sweeter, you could actually sprinkle some of the thicker sugar crystals on it. It's also really pretty if you wanted to add more sugar. Or you could just take a scoop of ice cream and plop it on top. That would be good too. All right.
But I wanted this to be more of a bread.
It is more of a bread than the sweet.
It's delicious.
All
Are you
right.
going to have more?
Well, maybe later, but you know, we have things to say here and finish up.
My goodness. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click the share and like buttons.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. And our YouTube channel. Am I forgetting anything? Subscribe.
Instagram.
Check out the Amazon products that we are starting to put up. There's some great things out there. Don't forget that brown sugar container. I will have that.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
And the Cuisinart. Everybody needs a Cuisinart.
There you go. Have a great day.
Have
See
a
you
great
next
day,
time.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.